Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change keyboard shortcut for switching input language in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accessibility from the left side list. Go to Keyboard. Go to Typing. Click on Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click on Language Bar Options. A new window will open. Go to Advanced Key Settings. Click on Change Key Sequence. A new window will open. You'll see key combinations you can use to switch input language. Check the key combo you want. You can also choose the key combination to switch keyboard layout. Click OK when you're done. Click on Apply and OK to save the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!